Hello, everybody in presentation land, week 4. For this week's presentation, I'm actually going to speak a little bit about my passion of breeding dogs. It's actually very new for me still. I have bred 2 litters from my 6.5 black lab, a 6.5-year-old black lab. Her name is Callie Girl. It actually all started, many years ago. I always had dreams of breeding dogs. And I decided in December, or actually Christmas of 2010, I actually got a black lab for Christmas. And during that process, I actually asked the breeder, would it be possible to breed this dog so that I can actually, be a breeder and start breeding and have litters. And that is something that in the AKC world or purebred world that you get approval for before you decide to make that purchase. Anyway, my breeder was very open to that. However, there were many requirements of me that were necessary for me to begin that process. It initially started with testing. So there's many different tests that need to be done before you can, breed a purebred lab and have them registered with the AKC, or at least with my breeder. There's many different things that you can do. Callie actually has a cardiologist. She has an ophthalmologist. She has a regular veterinarian. And then there were many other tests, blood work done, x-rays on hips and elbows. We actually swabbed the inside of her cheek and sent it off to France for a condition called CNM. It is a condition that's almost similar to MS in humans, where dogs can be running gallantly in the grass and then suddenly have loss of their back legs, and that's something that you don't want to carry that gene forward. It's kind of interesting, the tests that breeders do for dogs, because humans don't do that, and in my opinion it would be good if humans did that. Anyway, let's see, what else can I tell you about breeding? It's really intriguing. It's very similar to the process of a dog being pregnant, is very similar to that of a human being pregnant. Callie Girl actually had cravings just like a female would have. She has jumped onto counters for food. She has taken food out off of my plate while she's been pregnant. Many things very similar. And she has had 9 puppies in 2 litters. And it's a very, very rewarding process, but it also comes with can come with many challenges. Callie actually had to have a C-section her second litter, so that just is a little challenging. Anyway, I find it very rewarding, and hopefully this message finds you well, and maybe you learned a little bit about dog breeding to the extent that I could fit into a 4-minute presentation. Okay. Thank you so much, and thanks for listening. Okay, bye.